This video is about a macro for listing the files and subfolders in a particular folder. Here we have a folder called Reports and Drawings, which is a subfolder of the folder called Smart City Project in the E drive of my PC. And this folder contains 19 files of different formats like PDFs, AutoCAD drawings, Word documents, and Excel workbooks. For extracting the list of all these files into the column E of this worksheet, go to the Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, insert a module. I will name this macro as list file names. Declare in memory X as object, XNC as object. Declare in memory Y as integer. Set X equal create object, scripting.filesystem object. Set XNC equal x.getFolder range. Here we have to specify the cell containing the file path of the parent folder. I will be using this cell B2 for defining the file path of the parent folder, B2 dot value. Now a for loop for looping through every file in the folder. For each Z in xnc.files, Y equal Y plus 1. Worksheets. Here we have to specify the name of the worksheet where we want the file names to be printed. I want the file names to be printed in the sheet called File Names. File Names. Cells. Here we have to specify the starting cell of the list. I need the list to start from cell E2. For that, Y plus 1, comma, 5, dot value equal Z dot name. Next, back to our worksheet. I will insert a form button here. We'll assign the macro list file names to this button. We'll rename the button to Get File Names. Now we have to specify the file path. I will copy the file path from here. Paste it in the cell B2. Now when I click on this button called Get File Names, the program will create the list of every file present in that particular folder, Reports and Drawings. Once again with a different folder. Copy the file path. Paste it into the cell B2. Click on the button called Get File Names to extract the list. We can also extract the file path with a simple modification to our code. Go to VBA editor. I will copy this statement. Modify the column offset to 6. Z.name should be Z.path. Back to our worksheet. Before executing the program, I will delete this list. Once again, click on the button Get File Names. And this time we have extracted the file paths to. Once again with a different folder, copy the file path, paste it into the cell B2, and we have the file names along with file paths. Now about a macro for listing the subfolders of a particular folder. I will copy this code, paste it into a new module. We'll rename the macro as list folder names. xnc.files should be modified to xnc.subfolders. Here the sheet name should be folder names. This statement is not necessary and I will delete it. Back to our worksheet. I will insert a form button here. We'll assign the macro list folder names to this button. We'll rename the button to get folder names. Now we have to specify the path of the parent folder. You can see here this folder called YouTube contains 62 subfolders. For extracting the list of all these subfolders, I will copy the path from the address bar. Paste it into the cell B2. Execute the macro. And here we have the list of all those folders present in the folder called YouTube in the E drive of my PC. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.